So experts are anticipating Dogecoin to rally soon, and it appears that there will be no bearish momentum for it. In this video, I'll talk about Dogecoin's upcoming bull run while analyzing the overall crypto market. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. So Doge is currently trading at roughly 27 cents, and the general trend appears to be rather bullish. I know that we're back in the red again, but if we look at the weekly chart, things are looking really bullish. Additionally, Doge has been trading within a rising wedge pattern in recent days, reaching a 7-week high on October 25. It then corrected and plummeted to a 15-day low of 21 cents after breaching the lower trend line. However, we saw that Doge bulls exerted significant pressure, and the price has since risen over the upper trend line to an 11-week high of 34 cents, and the trendline breach was followed by a large amount of activity, indicating a solid trend. And following an intraday high of 34 cents, Dogecoin began consolidating the advance on shorter durations. And despite the price retracement, Doge maintained close to the 29 cents support level. And if Dogecoin closes the next few sessions near its day's high, it will print a bullish movement, indicating that greater prices are on the horizon in the coming days. Meanwhile, experts are saying that Dogecoin's current price behavior is typical following a huge rise where Doge went past the 32-cent level, and with this recent candlestick closing above the cloud, Dogecoin is poised to make a run at 50 cents. So it appears that Dogecoin's price has undoubtedly been a test of bulls' patience. On October 24, Dogecoin closed strongly above the cloud, and this close also validated Dogecoin's bullish Ichimoku entrance, also known as the ideal bullish Ichimoku breakout. However, that all changed recently when Dogecoin attracted a surge of new activity and stifled short sellers. And one of the most significant outcomes of this significant rise is the place of the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen, which are right above the cloud. This suggests that Dogecoin has a large support structure between 27 cents and 28 cents, which is likely to withstand any short selling pressure in the near term, and analysts believe that Dogecoin's next move upward will be to target the 50 cents mark. And once Doge hits the 50 cents mark, cryptos analysts are predicting that it can then reach $1 if Doge overcomes a major hurdle. So Dogecoin's price has recorded 4 lower highs and 4 equal lows in the last 6 months. And using trend lines, the swing points in this 6-month consolidation can be joined to reveal a descending triangle. This technical formation forecasts a 361% increase, which is calculated by adding the distance between the swing high and the triangle's base. By adding this distance to the breakout point, it is possible for Doge to reach $1 in the coming months. Analysts estimate that a decisive close above 34 cents will confirm the revival of buyers and initiate a further 27% advance to the next resistance level at 44 cents. And apart from this, Doge faces little to no pushback. As a result, investors can anticipate a rise in the Dogecoin price to $1. On the other hand, ETH has just hit a new all-time high as blockchain data revealed that Ethereum's smart contract blockchain burned more tokens than it emitted in the previous 24 hours, owing in part to significant action in Shiba Inu. And according to CoinDesk data, ETH increased to $4,400, surpassing the previous record high of $4,300 set in May. And at its current price of $4,300, ETH is up 45% month-to-date compared to Bitcoin's 40% gain. Besides, the implied volatility differential between Ether and Bitcoin is increasing, indicating that the market expects Ether to continue leading price action in the next weeks. Besides, crypto analysts have forecasted that the price of Ethereum will surpass $5,000 by the end of 2021 and will reach over $50,000 by 2030. According to analysts, Ethereum's price is already 1,000% higher than it was at this time last year, outpacing Bitcoin and several other major cryptos, and for the first time, Ethereum's market cap has crossed $500 billion. Now it appears that Ethereum's meteoric rise has been aided by the growth of decentralized finance, which leverages crypto technology and Ethereum's blockchain to recreate traditional financial services without the need for banks, and the NFT craze, which has seen all manner of digital media and assets tokenized, largely on Ethereum's blockchain. Seeing this, experts believe that Ethereum's price will go past $5,000 by the end of 2021 to $15,000 by 2025, and then more than tripling to $50,000 by the end of 2030. And coming to Bitcoin's price analysis, crypto expert Tone Vays has recently stated that Bitcoin could break out once it reaches $63,000. However, he anticipates a shift to the $55,000 range initially. So now we are seeing that Bitcoin is cooling off and consolidating over $60,000 after surging to a new all-time high of just under $67,000 earlier this month. Seeing this, Tone Vays believes that the $55,000 mark for Bitcoin would be an excellent entry point, but does not rule out a slightly larger correction before Bitcoin reaches $100,000. Now, as Bitcoin is currently trading above the psychological barrier indicated previously, analysts think that it must deliver a decisive daily candlestick close to over $62,000 to have any chance of continuing higher. And if this is not done, a retracement to the demand zone between $56,000 and $58,000 is possible, and a possible reversal in selling pressure, with a daily candlestick close below $56,000, will initiate a downswing to the $55,000 support level. Experts believe that if Bitcoin reaches this level, market participants will almost certainly push it to the $53,000 demand threshold in order to collect liquidity, and this will reduce selling pressure on Bitcoin, allowing the price to reverse its downward trend and initiate a new climb. And while this short-term correction is negative, it will assist Bitcoin in embarking on a path that will take it past its present all-time high. Bulls will then target the 161.8% trend-based Fibonacci extension at $78,000, and this would represent a 47% increase from $53,000. And after clearing the $77,000 barrier, experts say that Bitcoin will reach 6 digits at $100,000, which corresponds to the trend-based Fibonacci extension level of 61.8%. And this would establish a new all-time high for Bitcoin. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you think that Bitcoin can hit the $100,000 mark in the near future? Let me know in the comment section below. Now coming to some recent developments, it has been reported that AMC may begin accepting Shiba Inu in the coming days. It appears that this is accomplished through the firm's pro-crypto campaign, which began at the start of the year. And according to reports, AMC has been considering adding Shiba Inu to the list of cryptos it accepts in its theaters. Meanwhile, this step is driven by the CEO Twitter survey. And now we are seeing that AMC appears to be expanding its presence in the crypto market once more, with the possibility of adding a new currency to its list. Adam Aron, the chain's executive director, recently tweeted that AMC customers can purchase gift cards using cryptos such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Litecoin. And along with the tweet, Aron questioned whether he should include Shiba Inu to the list, and to his question, many users eventually agreed. Besides, several weeks ago, Aron posted a similar tweet but focused on Dogecoin, in which Tesla CEO Elon Musk weighed in. And according to AMC announcements, Dogecoin would be added as a payment mechanism for gift cards next year, but it appears to be currently operational. Meanwhile, as per another report, Travala has recently claimed a rapid growth in the third quarter of 2021, with the primary driver being the adoption of crypto. Travala provides approximately 700,000 hotels and lodgings and 400,000 bookable activities, and according to Travala's report, the Binance Mini app integration, which enables consumers to purchase services straight from their Binance Exchange wallets, has developed rapidly to generate more bookings than any one crypto. Besides, Travala's customers can make payments in over 50 cryptos through their blockchain-based platform. Moreover, Travala's CEO Juan Otero recently reported that 70% of bookings were made using cryptos, resulting in weekly gains of over $1 million. Additionally, he stated that as more individuals own cryptos and more companies accept them for real-world transactions, travel is a naturally attractive experience for crypto users. Now I see this as great news for the crypto world since it proves the fact that crypto is a more efficient and secure payment method and it has a lot of potential compared with traditional payment methods. So I think that such reports will assist in more adoption of cryptos in different industries. And now coming back to Dogecoin, the weekly price pattern of Doge indicates that there is an opportunity for another bull run. Recently, the RSI oscillator resumed increasing readings above 25 and 75 levels, indicating growing demand for Dogecoin. And a daily time frame analysis also indicates increasing demand for Dogecoin following a regular bullish divergence and the breakthrough of a bearish trend line last week. And with RSI readings above 25 level on the daily time frame, the 4 hours time frame signals entry points and uptrend pullback support, and we could see a jump in the price of Doge since the prior resistance level of 28 cents has now become a new support level for bulls. So it appears that the bull run is on for Doge, and we may soon witness it going past the 50 cents mark. However, these are my personal views and not financial advice, so it is recommended that you don't rely on it and do your own research before investing in cryptos.